Hello everyone, welcome to Endless English. We all love pet animals, especially dogs and cats. Dogs are loyal and faithful to their masters, so they are like pros. Whereas cats are musical, playful, and naughty, and they are like poetry. T.S. Eliot loves cats, and so he featured many characters in the book The Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats. And he speaks about a cat in the poem Macavity the Mystery Cat. Here he says this cat is like a master criminal, involved in crimes, escapes very easily, and produces alibi to say that he is not at the spot of crime. So, the everlasting poem of T.S. Eliot, Macavity the Mystery Cat, speaks about the notorious act of a cat. Shall we get into the poem to see what are the notorious misbehavior of this mystery cat? Macavity the Mystery Cat was written by T.S. Eliot. T.S. Eliot modeled Macavity on the character of Professor Moriarty from Arthur Conan Doyle's Sherlock Holmes series. Macavity's physical description is also based on the Sherlock Holmes villain in The Adventure of the Final Problem. In the beginning, T.S. Eliot wrote cat poems to amuse his godchildren, but by now they have sunk their way through the lives of countless children and adults alike. Thomas Stearns Eliot. His period was from 26 September 1888 to 4 January 1965. He was an American-born British poet, essayist, publisher, playwright, literary critic, and editor. He was born in St. Louis, Missouri, to a prominent Boston Brahmin family. He moved to England in 1914 at the age of 25 and went on to settle, work, and marry there. He became a British subject in 1927 at the age of 39, subsequently renouncing his American citizenship. Considered one of the 20th century's major poets, Eliot attracted widespread attention for his poems The Love Song of J. Alfred Prufrock in 1915, which was seen as a masterpiece of the modernist movement. It was followed by some of the best-known poems in the English language, including The Wasteland in 1922, The Hollow Men in 1925, Ash Wednesday in 1930, and Four Quarters in 1943. He was also known for his 7 plays, particularly Murder in the Cathedral in 1935 and The Cocktail Party in 1949. He was awarded the Nobel Prize in Literature in 1948 for his outstanding pioneer contribution to present-day poetry. Macavity is a mystery cat. He is called a hidden paw, for he is the master criminal who can defy the law. In this poem, Macavity is a mysterious cat. He is called a hidden paw. Hidden paw is the nickname of this Macavity. Why? Because he is the master criminal who can disobey any law. He is the bafflement of Scotland Yard, the flying squad's despair, for when they reach the scene of crime, Macavity is not there. Actually, Macavity is the cause of great confusion. He is a big challenge to the Scotland Yard and flying squad. Scotland Yard and flying squad lose all the hope of catching this Macavity. When they reach the place of crime, Macavity will not be there. It escapes in no time. So this stanza tells us how elusive this Macavity. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. He has broken every human law. He breaks the law of gravity. Here the poet says none can be compared with Macavity. He violates the law. He is the master in breaking the laws made by the humans. He breaks the law of gravity with his quick jump. Objects falling to the ground is called the law of gravity. But here Macavity will not stumble and will not fall. He is too fast to fall. These few lines say Macavity is extraordinarily agile. His powers of levitation would make a fake kid stare, And when you reach the scene of crime, Mekawati is not there. Mekawati's powerful jump seems to be floating in the air. It makes a fakir looks at him in great surprise. The fakir also has the power of floating, but he looks at the cat in great wonder. When you reach the place where the crime occurred, you will not definitely find Mekawati there, who is the reason for this crime. You may seek him in the basement, you may look up in the air, but I tell you once and once again, Mekawati is not there. Here the poet says, you can't find out this Mekawati anywhere. You may search for him in the basement. Basement means underground place. Or you may look for him in the sky. But the poet tells that once after doing a crime, Mekawati will not be found there. Mekawati is a ginger cat. He is very tall and thin. You would know him if you saw him, for his eyes are sunken in. Mekawati is a ginger cat. He is very alert and cautious. He is very tall and thin. His eyes are deeply sunken in. You can recognize him when you see him. You can easily identify this Mekawati if you see him, but you can't find out this Mekawati anywhere in this place. His brow is deeply lined with thought, his head is highly domed, his coat is dusty from neglect, his whiskers are uncombed. Here the poet describes the appearance of the Mekawati. His eyebrows are deeply lined with thought because he is always in deep thoughts or making a plan to commit a crime anywhere else. Next, his head is dome-like round in shape. His coat is dusty as it neglects cleaning. His whiskers, the long stiff hair grown near the mouth, are not combed. Why? Because it has no time to come out of his evil thoughts. He is always planning to involve himself in crimes. He sways his head from side to side with movements like a snake. And when you think he is off sleep, he is always wide awake. He sways his head from side to side like a snake while it is moving. If you think that he is off asleep, you are mistaken. He is always alert and wide awake. Here these lines tell us this Mekawati is always alert and cautious. It is not careless. It is always careful, cautious and alert. Mekawati, Mekawati, there is no one like Mekawati. For he is a fiend in felon shape, a monster of depravity. The poet again and again says, none can be equal to Mekawati. None can be equal to Mekawati as he is a unique one, as he is a special one. It's because he is a fiend in the shape of a cat. He is a devil in the shape of a cat. He is a monster of depravity. He is a giant of evil quality or moral corruption. You may meet him in a by street, you may see him in the square, but when a crime is discovered, then Mekawati is not there. You may meet this Mekawati by chance in a by street, or you may see him in a square. Square means an open area. But when a crime is discovered there, then Mekawati will not be found at the scene of crime. He is outwardly respectable. They say he cheats at cards, and his footprints are not found in any file of Scotland Yards. Here the poet says the appearance of Mekawati is respectable, but he is indeed clever and cunning. He is master in moral corruption and cheats at cards when he is playing. His footprints are never be found. He is so careful that he is not found in any file of Scotland Yards. And when the lair is looted, or the jewel case is rifled, or when the milk is missing, or another peak has been stifled, Mekawati loots the ladder, the cupboard, and lifts the jewel box at the edge of the rifle. He is responsible for the missing of the milk and killing of the pig, a small Chinese dog. But he is not found by any police or detective agency in the place of crime. Here the poet says, like a big criminal, This Macavity has involved in many crimes like lifting the jewel case, drinking the milk, and fighting with the dog and killing it. But it's not found out by anyone in the place of crime. Or the greenhouse glass is broken and the trellis past repair. Hey, that's the wonder of the thing, Macavity is not there. Some more crimes like breaking the greenhouse glass and the trellis, the wooden bars used for the support of creepers, are usually committed by him only. But it's surprising that he does not leave any evidence behind him as if he is not present there. And when the Foreign Office find a treaty was gone astray, or the Admiralty lost some plans and drawings by the way. When an important file of treaty is found missing by Foreign Office or the Admiralty, the government department that administered the British Navy, has lost some plans, Macavity will not be found responsible for those crimes even though he is 100% responsible. Macavity is surprisingly shrewd and smart in not getting caught to the police. There may be a scrap of paper in the hall or on the stair, but it's useless to investigate. Macavity is not there. Sometimes we get a bit of paper in the hall or on the stairs that could serve as a clue that these crimes are committed by Macavity. But there is no use of proceeding further investigation as Macavity is not in the place of crimes. And when the loss has been disclosed, the Secret Service say it must have been Macavity, but he is a mile away. When the theft or the crime or the loss has been revealed or found out, the Secret Service, the Bureau of Investigation might say that these crimes are done by Macavity only. But there is no use because by the time Macavity will be a mile away from the scene of crime. You'll be sure to find him resting or a licking of his thumbs or engaged in doing complicated long division sums. When you search for Macavity for all the crimes that were said above, definitely he will not be there in the place of crime. No doubt you can find him relaxing or licking his thumbs or maybe busy in solving some difficult sums of long division. He is totally out of scene as if there is no connection between him and the crime. Macavity, there is no one like Macavity. There never was a cat of such deceitfulness and suavity. Here the poet says, none can be equal to Macavity as he is the unique one. There was no cat with such cunningness, confidence and comfortable in the past. This stanza obviously says that Macavity is a daredevil. He is not scared of anything. He always has an alibi and one or two to spare. At whatever time the deed took place, Macavity wasn't there. Alibi is a false evidence to prove that the criminal was not at the spot of a crime that he committed. Here the poet T.S. Eliot discloses the truth that Macavity made use of a few alibi of his own by having evidence to prove that he was elsewhere when the crime was committed. He is always using an alibi, not only one alibi, sometimes even two alibis to escape from the crime. Whatever the time that the crime took place, he was not present at the place of crime, even though the crime was committed by Macavity. And they say that all the cats whose wicked deeds are widely known, I might mention Mangorzuri, I might mention Griddlebone, are nothing more than agents for the cat who all the time just controls their operations, the Napoleon of crime. Mangorzuri, Rumpelteazer and Griddlebones are the featured fictional characters who appear in the collection of poems, The Old Possum's Book of Practical Cats, written by T.S. Eliot, which we know very well. Mangosari and Rampelteazer or orange brown black cats, and Griddlebone, a fluffy grey cat with a bushy tail, or the characters found in the movie 2019 Cats movie. These three cats involve in many thefts, quarrels, and fights that create many problems to their owners. But here the poet reveals the truth that these great criminal cats are the agents of Mekavati. Mekavati is the gang leader who controls the operations. Mekavati is really the Napoleon of crime. All the notorious cats are nothing but the assistants of Mekavati, the Napoleon of crime. T.S. Eliot featured Mekavati, a criminal cat, as fictional character in his everlasting poem Mekavati. There are two means of refuge from the miseries of life. One is music, the other one is cats. Cats are musical. I'm not sure why I like cats, but just watching my cat can make me feel happy. Those who love home will definitely love cats. Before I sign off, a word from me. Love your pets, have a great time with your pets, especially with your cats. Let's meet in the next lesson. Till then, it's bye from Vijay Edson. Thank you.